First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Hey guys, Dave here again. Just gonna give you a rundown of the Silver AU Beta. My one. I showed you a video previously of Nick's one. Show you my one, so come have a look, check it out. Turn your resolution down, it'll look better. So just get a quick rundown. So on the front we're running some Tickford wheels, that's what we had. They're durable enough because we wear out wheels, so try to spend a little money on wheels because we hit each other with these cars. So factory silver paint, covered with lots of dirt, because you don't love this car, you just love driving this car. We've got some spaces up the front as long as with our knuckles, camber plates. I've actually got coilovers fitted to this car out of a Silvia, so I'll show you my home job plate I made years ago because choppies were just not cutting it. I'll come down a little bit. So inside, so she's automatic, so this car was manual. I've gone back to auto just because I want to send it. So Nardi wood grain Nardi steering wheel, pretty much the value of the vehicle. Ride seat I've had for a long time now. Mounted it to a stock seat rail, pretty basic. Stock handbrake, because you don't use the handbrake, because if you're using the handbrake, you're pretty much bitching it, so don't use the handbrake. Keep your foot down. Keep this bad boy down the whole time. You bloody this one slap all the way down. So Fairlane Plus stuff, just luxury, you know. Rear end, a little bit worn out from Mountain Gambier a few years ago. When it was a pro car in a way, it had 411 disc gears, was manual, had the VCT engine in it. Was actually, did quite well, but yeah, after that I did register that. Then I was doing a DCA round and I debated a tyre at Archie, hit the wall. I mean, I hit it pretty hard, it bent the chassis. It doesn't look as bad probably in the video, but this car is so bent. I've in the boot, but the height of this here to this is probably almost a foot higher. That's how hard it is. So now the rundown of the car on the outside. We're going to put it in the shop on the hoist, show you underneath what it has, what it doesn't have. Alright, so we're lifting up the rig. Show you underneath. I'm just interested to see, because I don't think it's been on the hoist maybe since before Matsuri. We did Archie for a month before Matsuri. Well, we did have a hit at the front and our transcooler blew a line. So it leaked out a bit, so I'll see what's underneath. Alright guys, the AU's on the hoist. This is the back of it. Nothing much going on back here except bent panels. Spare tyre well. We used to have a full 3-inch exhaust with the other motor. Used to run 2 4-inch pipes over here, so that's why this kind of been hammered up. Save us going the factory route. So exhaust wise, we're running as kind of as standard as possible. So we've got our factory headers, the catalytic converter, it's all standard there, and then we normally do muffler delete, keep the original muffler, but in this case I just did the full straight pipe to this puffy tone. That's what we're running. So diff wise, 308 standard diff ratio in the auto AUs. The longest one, so you can stay in first gear because of auto. And welded diff, that's all we've done. So welded diff, good to go. Rear wise, we're running R33 coilovers stuff here, so they were very flogged before they went in the car, but they do better than top springs, better than Petters anyway, that's for sure. So to mount these, we do supply a bush that slides straight into the coilover, so you can bolt the factory bolt through on the diff, so there's no clanking. Not that clanking would probably matter in this car, but yeah, for the street application, that's what you do. So no rear brake on this side because it got ripped off years ago and it just never got repaired. doesn't matter. This side's still got its rear brake caliper because Ford put that on factory and I didn't have to remove it. On stand tail shaft, I put an E-Series gearbox in, so it has a dipstick when I returned it back to auto. So that's as basic as there, that is. We've got our AE House knuckles in here, our AE House cam plates. I think these ones are actually still red because those ones are we were mucking around with, so a bit of oil. Now they're actually S13 rear coilovers. This is what I had at the time and my budget was $0. They've been in there for like 3 years now. And then I had to use a spring rat, I think it was out of R31 with S13 coilovers. I put that in, made a bracket. This car's been on the wall with these knuckles, with these cam plates, with these coilovers at Archie. And the only thing I bet was this upper arm up here. A little bit. So these things are just that durable, it's actually ridiculous. Mod wise, that's about it. Just maintenance, guys, is the main thing. So new bushes, new ball joints, rack ends, turret ends, those kind of things. Harmonic balances, they're your real common things. Power steering cooler, very important. Transmission cooler, very important. So just keeps you being able to run all day at Archie and not worry. So yeah, it's really it underneath of it. Doesn't actually have the. It actually burns more oil than it leaks. This oil's all just in the transmission cooler when it blew out because it's mounted in the engine bay, which we'll skip to and just show you what's in the engine bay. Quick rundown of what's under the engine bay of this car. Now, this motor's factory motor. I had it out for a little while when I had the VZT motor in, but we've put this back in, so it's probably done about 332,000 now. Basic headers. Air filter was on there, but I've taken it off. Transmission cooler, we used to have it laying flat down, but after we had a bit of a bingo at Matsuri, crap, busted the line, so we had to just shorten it. That's what you do at Matsuri. Power steering cooler at the front here, at Archerfield, run after run, something you need to have. So that, just basic under maintenance under here, just water pump, harmonic balancer, recent alternator, those kind of things. Spark plug fuel filters, just to keep you going. So that's all under here. It had aircon, it stopped working. Too much limiter with the aircon on, and I think the compressor crapped itself. So that's it under here. So real basic. I've decided to put the Fairlane bond on this, just to give it a bit of an eyelid look. And then you might be wondering, why do you have a cheeseburger written on your car? I just love cheeseburgers. That's it. Probably should stop. Yeah, stickers, extra power, AE House banner, available for purchase soon. Once the whole crisis with this virus thing goes away, we'll be pumping them out as well. Hopefully in a couple of different colours. We'll see how we go. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. We've got another one dropping on Friday. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, comment, or don't. Just keep watching us if you want, or don't watch us anymore. I don't know, whatever you're doing. I mean, what else is there to do right now anyway to watch people on YouTube? Don't forget, we've got our Facebook, Instagram stuff. We try and put more content on there as fast as we can. Obviously, with all this virus stuff, not much we can do legally. So, and we're about legal things here. So, enjoy the week.